Hello class 4, this is the chapter from your EVS, chapter number 14, Baswa Farm, okay? In this chapter, we will know how many steps a farmer have to go through to get a product, a final product, okay? The crop, the harvesting. So in the chapter, you will see a boy called Baswa, his father is a farmer, okay? Like I used to do, I'm not going to read the whole, okay? I'm not going to read the whole. I will just explain with a few important points, okay? So when we are into a farming, the first thing we do is to clean the field, okay? Because there are lots of weeds growing around. Weed is a grass which has no use. I mean, no use. We can't eat them, and we can't. If there is lots of weeds in the farm, so it affect the growing of the crops. So the first step is cleaning the field, and second you need a pair of bullock, right? Bullock, or a traditional way they are doing in the picture, but nowadays most of the farming thing done by the tractors, by the vehicles, or by the electronic gadgets, okay? So in the chapter we will study first the traditional farming. So you will be needing a pair of bullock to loosen the land. Loosen the land means if you have to sow a seed, you first have to dig the field. So you have to loosen the field so that you can you can generate a place where the seed can grow its roots, right? So loosen the field is the second step. And third, once the seed is started sprouting, and the plant started getting a rise, and then the job of the farmer is to protect those plants from the insects, okay? And this is the third step, right? First step, cleaning the weeds. Second, you will be needing the bullock cart to loosen the field. And the third step, once the seed is sprout, then your job is to your job is to protect the baby plants, okay? So these are the third step. And the fourth step, it's come, the farmer have to wait a long period of time so that the plant it grew and they will get a final good product, right? So these are the four steps a farmer have to do. And fourth step is not just 1 day or 2 day. Just cleaning the weeds also, it take more than a month. And then sowing the seed, it takes again nearly about, I don't know about the farming because I haven't done such kind of farming yet, and I haven't seen. But yes, I have lots of interest in farming, so I have seen in the YouTube, and there are lots of time consuming and strength and energy. So it means we got to be energetic, we got to be hardworking. Same time we have to love our plants, and we have to take care of the products, right? I mean the plants and all. So few oral questions will be there from this chapter, okay? Rest, there will be no written exam for this chapter, no written exam. It's a very very short chapter, very but however it is very informative about farming. So I'll be sending you the worksheet, I mean the home assignment, or maybe the worksheet through worksheet. Please do it, and please show it to me. And thank you so much. And the next chapter, here I want to show you the syllabus. I mean the context of the textbook, okay? So that you'll have an idea how many we have done and how many are left. So these are the contexts of the textbook. Going to school year to year, a day with the Nandu, the story of Amrita, Anita and the honeybees, Omana's journey from the window, reaching grandma's house, changing families, Hutututu, the valley of flowers, changing times, the river tales we just had done, right? And this is the third is and the last chapter is Baswa Farm, okay? So there are more chapters which I want to cover, because the last chapter, I mean, in the last context, there are lots and lots of good information about social and social activities. So I want you to know. So to cover this, we got to move a bit faster. So a few chapter I'll be taking as an oral, and some of them are just as a dictation chapter, so that we can reach out the important chapter. Okay. Thank you so much and have a nice day.